Hi Pradeep, how are you?
I am fine, ma'am.
Will you please introduce yourself?
My name is Pradeep Kumar Chauhan, and I live district Mau and state UP. My country is Indian. I have two elder brother and younger sister. My father is farmer, and my mother is house wife. So,
Okay, thank you, Pradeep. Let
oh,
me introduce myself. My name is Saraswati and I live
yes,
in
ma'am.
Mumbai. Basically, I belong
Yes,
to you, and in my leisure time, I learn new things.
yes, ma'am.
So, shall we start our conversation?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My village is Kusadi, district Mau.
Yes.
Uh,
Don't hesitate. What is your education?
My education is high school, inter, BA, and polytechnic final from BTUP.
Okay. And what is your favorite subject in your school time?
My favorite subject is mathematics subject, ma'am.
Yes.
Very
And my
interested subject, and mathematics and reasoning. Very my choice subject.
oh, that's great. And what is your favorite food?
My favorite food apple, favorite food, and mango. That's
Oh,
that's it, ma'am.
mango, I think mango is favorite of all.
Yeah.
Correct?
So
Yes.
favorite already fruits, but two favorite.
What is your favorite sport?
Uh, Playing cricket, playing.
Okay.
Um,
Yes.
every time um, watching cricket, and it's
Oh,
interesting to playing and gaming, cricket gaming,
very
playing
nice.
friend, all friend.
So how many friends you have? How many
My
friends
friends,
you have?
I have six friends, important friends, six friends. Anytime six friends is
And
speaking
somebody
and
best friend or
learning.
not? Is anyone your best friend?
My best friend is to my best friend.
Have you ever visited Mumbai?
Not is
You
sentences.
have told that you have your house in Mumbai, correct?
Yes, 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 ma'am. One elder brother doing present time factory job.
Okay.
My father is a farmer and
Yes.
working anytime.
He is working in field, correct?
Working in field.
I am saying that you also work in your field along with your study.
Yes, 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 ma'am. Yes.
You told that your reasoning and mathematics is very good, correct?
Subject reasoning and math.
Yes. So, are you preparing for competitive exam also? Because you are saying that my mathematics and reasoning are very good, so you can prepare for competitive exam also.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Now, how you feel? Now you feel comfortable or not to speak English?
Competitor is speak English, ma'am. So very problem. 1 month ago, not problem. English is speaking to anytime, learning, speaking, and again.
Dave,
No problem,
you
ma'am.
just practice every day. Every day, at least 1 hour you do practice, and slowly you will be able to speak
Just,
good.
just, just,
It will take time, but you will improve. How many hours you
yes.
practice every day?
Everyday practice, daily everyday practice, ma'am. Writing, speaking, and talking.
Definitely you will be able to speak. I think 1 or 2 months it will take, but slowly you will learn all
Yes,
these
yes,
things.
ma'am.
Yes.
Mm.
Because I can see that you have little bit confidence now.
Yes, yes,
We just
little.
then find you have no confidence, but when we
No,
have
no,
talked
ma'am.
sometimes, we have confidence.
Very good.
Correct?
Not well speaking. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 10 days starting English speaking, ma'am. So very problem.
Have you a joint family or nuclear family?
No, ma'am. Only single.
Family. Okay.
Mm.
Have you ever lived with joint family?
No, no, ma'am. Joint film, no. Only single. My brother single.
But have you experience of joint family?
No idea, ma'am.
No idea. Have you any other topic can you discuss now? Or if you want to something, ask to me.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, then ask. My name is Saraswati and I am a housewife. And
Yes, ma'am.
presently I live in Mumbai, Mau. And Mau is near to Ajamgarh, correct?
Yes, yes, yes. Near Azamgarh and Mau distance, 18 kilometer.
For 18 kilometers. So
Yes, yes.
have you visited Ajamgarh anytime?
Sometime
What language you speak at your home?
using my language is all family using
Bhojpuri.
Bhojpuri.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know Bhojpuri?
I using Bhojpuri, but all family using Bhojpuri, so using Bhojpuri. But other people not
Okay. Bhojpuri is good language. I like Bhojpuri.
childhood using Hindi language and school using Hindi language and teaching language Hindi. So 20 years language Hindi using. So that's a problem in speaking English.
Slowly, if you are trying now, you are trying to speak this language, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
When you practice on daily basis, fluency will come in your language.
Yes, ma'am.
I will suggest you read some story book. Slowly learn. You slowly
Yes,
learn. When you
yes, ma'am.
listen first to talk, and then slowly you catch all these things and will learn. It will take time. It will
Yes,
not
ma'am.
happen in 1, 2 or 1 month. Yes, slowly you will be able to speak very well. At least you have started to speak English. Thank you, Pradeep. You are trying your best and keep practicing every day. And best of luck for your future.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
definitely you will learn in this language. Don't worry, don't hesitate.
Thank you, ma'am.
Here. Thank you,
Yes,
Pradeep.
ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.